Hey everyone, I got a super easy thing you can do for your fence posts. So I have these caps here and I'm just going to be putting them over this. So one thing about these here, these fence posts, is when it rains, water will sit here and it'll work its way into the grain, and this top will rot out first. So you really want to protect it from that water. So these post caps here you can get pretty cheap on Amazon. I'll throw a link up. There's two types. This is plastic. You can also get like an aluminum or some kind of metal that will actually last a little bit longer, but plastic's cheaper, so that's the route I went. I figured this would be fine. And then you can see, you just drill it into the side. It's a little loose on here, but that's not too big of a deal. But we'll just take this screw and put it in both sides, probably screw it in the most discreet location, so you're not seeing those nail or screw heads. But other than that, it's just that simple, and this will go a long way for making your fence last.